how to set up a welcome channel on your Discord server. So first you want to open up the Discord app, whether on your PC or the browser. Then you want to create or go to your server if you have one already. Now you will simply create a text channel for the welcome channel. You can call it whatever you want. And then click on create channel. Now you want to go to your server icon right here, right click on it, and then click on server settings. Now from here you want to click on engagement under your server, and then under engagement you should see system messages channel. This usually will have messages about users joining your server, so you can use the welcome channel. You can also switch this to non-system messages to don't send system messages, and instead you can use the bot or a Discord bot to send messages of people joining your server directly to this channel without the default way. And here's how to do it. You want to click on the discover button at the bottom right here, and then select apps, and then in the search bar you want to search for Dino, and then click on the first search result, then simply click on add and click on visit. Now an easier way, you can also click on copy link right here and directly go to your server and paste this in a channel like that, and then you should be able to add the Discord bot to your server or via the invite link that you've opened earlier. So if you click on it, you will be able to select your server and then click on continue and grant the required permissions. Click on authorize. You can always do the same thing by opening that link from the discovered page or tab that you've opened earlier and simply add it to your server, but that's easier if you do it inside the app. Now, once you add the bot to your server, this page on your browser should be opened up. Otherwise, you can go to dino.gg and sign in with your Discord account to manage the bot. Now, under modules right here, click on modules and search for welcome, and then enable welcome right here. Click on settings and select the message type. I want to select message or embed. You can do embed text and whatever you want, but I'm going to use a simple message right here, welcome to the server, and then the username. And then I'm going to select my welcome channel that I have created earlier. You can choose also to send welcome message in a DM, private message to the user, but I'm going to leave it disabled. And then click on update. Now, whenever somebody joins your server, a message should be sent to this channel by the Dino bot. And that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe.